Do you struggle with bloating, irregular digestion, or a constant lack of energy? These common signs often point to an unbalanced gut, which can impact much more than just your stomach. An unhealthy gut doesn't just disrupt digestion, it can weaken your immune system, affect your mood, and make it harder to feel your best every day. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to long-term health challenges. Meet MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Probiotics, a shelf-stable formula designed to restore gut balance and boost overall health. Packed with beneficial bacteria, it promotes smooth digestion, supports immunity, and helps you reclaim your energy and vitality. Say goodbye to digestive discomfort and hello to a healthier, happier you. Visit drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals today and start your journey to better gut health with MaxHealth Probiotics.